Well, here we are at the AI Summit in New York, and I'm happy to say I'm here with Vickram Kooblall from the Scahill Law Group. Welcome.
Thank you, Chuck. Great being here.
So you're CIO. What does a CIO at a law group do these days?
So pretty busy, actually. So a lot of things that we do is just mitigating risk constantly. So in terms of our security posture, spend a lot of time in just digital transformation. So just kind of staying ahead of the curve. Law firms, unfortunately, has always been known to be behind it. So my goal is to really keep us front and center.
So in a law firm, what does digital transformation look like?
So a lot of our processes, in terms of lawyers, they're kind of dysfunctional people to begin with, so to speak. So one of the things we try to do is just ensure that they're so used to working with paper. So one of the biggest things is trying to get them in that mindset of being more efficient. So a lot of things we've done is build out our own applications to help that efficiency process. So I've spent a lot of times just looking at how we've done things over the years and now how to just bring that in a more efficient, more digitized way to the attorneys and to the paralegals as well.
So is it about more automation?
It's a combination of both. So we do a lot of document generation. So some aspects that we've utilized our applications, and AI is going to play a part in that in terms of generating some of those documents that are routine. Obviously, paralegals and attorneys still review that product at the end, but just in terms of efficiency, trying to get that volume of work done more efficiently.
So you're joining or have joined Visionaires?
I have, yeah. It's been a great organization and glad to be a part of it.
So what do you think of Visionaires?
So, in terms of just getting everyone together, I think the community of AI and in terms of transformative leaders need a platform, need a place to be, and I think it allows for that.
So we're here at the AI Summit in New York. What do you think of what's going on here at the show?
You know what? It's really fascinating. Some really great minds, a lot of interesting people, and a lot of different perspectives. One of the things that I'm finding, however, is that the lack of security discussions around AI. A lot of ethical, a lot of ways how to utilize AI, but one of the things that I'm not seeing that I thought I would have is cybersecurity postures and controls as we look to make AI what it's going to be and has been transformative for many organizations.
So where do you see AI fitting in the law firm of the future?
I think AI is going to play a critical role in terms of assisting the paralegals and attorneys. Certainly in terms of our clients, they hire us for our brain power and looking over documents and giving certain perspective based on our experience. And I think AI is going to play the background in that, in assisting us to bring that information forefront to ensure that we're not missing anything when we're looking at research and so forth.
So if we have this conversation a year from now, what will we be talking about?
I think we're going to talk about how the research element of AI has helped the law firm. There are quite a few companies right now that are progressive in this space, and I think adoption is becoming a little bit more common in regards to that. So that's one thing I'm excited about, and I think the efficiency of helping us in research is going to be one of the transformative things within law firms.
Great, thank you very much.
I appreciate your time. Thank you, Chuck.